Showing the screen to you. Well, gentlemen, in front of you on the screen, it is shown as circular measures. The first thing you will study that what is an angle in the radian form. In degrees, you have been studying since long, right from your childhood. What's the radian? See the concept. You know the system of measuring angles in degrees. There is another system of measuring angles based on circle. In this system, the ratio of the length of an arc to the length of the radius of a circle gives the magnitude of an angle. And then we say this angle is in the radian form. So ratio is for the arc length and divided by the radius of the circle. Now, practically is proving this. Consider a circle with radius r and center at 0, maybe origin, as shown in the figure. This is a circle centered at O and the radius is r. OA is same as OB and both will be the radius of the circle. Let OA rotate to map on to OB. Okay, this radius OA is now rotated in such a way that it maps to OB. So it moves from A position to position B. And assume that this minor arc AB is equal to R in length. And what is R? You know, it's the radius of the circle. So the corresponding angle is described as AOB. The moment A moves from this position to position B, there is an angle generated in this way, AOB. Okay. If the minor arc AB is equal to R units, then angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. So this angle is 1 radian. Okay. This OA is R and AB is also R. So R divided by this ratio is 1 radian. Definition you see. In a circle of radius R units, the angle subtended by an arc of length R units at the center is 1 radian. Okay. This is an arc, A to B, this curved line. This is the arc. Its length is R. So this arc which is generating an angle at the center, this is called as the 1 radian. This is the unit of an angle in circular measure. By comparing one complete rotation in degrees and in radians, we see that now we are going to find relationship between the degrees and the radians. The 2 pi radians you get once you complete a rotation on the circle. And if we measure them in degrees, there will be 360. You see, once you complete a round over the circumference of a circle, then 360 degrees are covered, and in radians they are 2 pi radians. So dividing both sides by 2, the pi radians will be 180 degrees. So now from here you can get two relations, that 1 radian will be equal to 180 divided by pi, or 1 degree will be equal to pi upon 180 radians. So you can convert degrees into radians or radians into degrees by using this relation. Next formula is for the arc length, or how to find the angle. In general case, given a circle with center O and radius R, where minor arc AB is equal to S units, angle AOB is theta radians, then by definition, theta will be equal to S upon R. I told you this is the ratio of the minor arc divided by the radius of the circle. So S upon R equal to theta. Theta is in radians, remember, not in degrees. So this is the relation. You can find any of the values if two of the values are known. If S and theta are known, you can find R. If R and theta are known, you can find S. If S and R are known, then you can find theta. Okay. So if two of the values are known, the third can be found. The formula for the arc length will be S will be equal to R theta. Okay. To find the arc length S, this will be R theta. Convert each of the following angles from degrees to radians. Leave your answers in terms of pi. Okay, I'm taking first case 36 degrees. So you know the relation 180 degree is equal to pi radian divided by 180. So 1 degree will be equal to pi upon 180. This is the unitary method you are using. And 36 degrees, you multiply either side with 36. This will become 36 degrees and multiplied with 36 over here and simplify. You'll be getting pi by 5. Pi upon 5. So 36 degrees is equal to pi by 5 radians. Similarly, let me take the example of the next one. 22 and a half. You multiply this 22 with 2 to 44 and you add this number. You should know this how to simplify. So 45 by 2 degrees. This will become 45 by 2. So 1 degree is pi upon 180. 45 by 2 degree. Just multiply on either side and simplify. Damn simple. Answer is coming to be pi by 8. So 270 degrees, same way. Answer will be 3 pi by 2. So nothing difficult in that. Example another. An arc AB of a circle of radius 5 centimeter subtends an angle of 1.5 radius at the center. The arc length ABA, and this is the angle in radius, this is theta. Find the length of the arc AB. So we know this relation of arc length is S is equal to R theta. R is known and theta is known. This is theta and R. Just multiply 5 into 1.5. This will be the answer. 7.5 centimeter is the arc length. Very simple question. Given a circle of diameter 8 centimeter. देखिए हमें diameter नहीं चाहिए होता. पढ़ा करें question को thoroughly. If diameter is given, you divide it by 2, you will get the radius. The radius is required normally. Okay. An arc of length 3.8 centimeter in a circle subtends an angle theta radians at the center. Find the value of theta. Okay. Now diameter is given, you can find radius. Radius is 4 and the arc length is this much, 3.8 centimeter. So you know the formula theta S upon R. Put the value S is 3.8, R is 4. Finally, you are getting 0.95. So theta is the angle, so this is in radians. 0.95 radians is the answer. Area of a sector. Consider a circle with center at O and radius R units as shown in the figure. By proportion, we note that area of the sector AOB, ये जो पूरा shaded area है, this is your sector. The area of sector AOB divided by area of the circle will be equal to theta upon 2 pi. ठीक है? So the angle बनेगा theta and 2 pi is this total. Sorry. यहाँ पे substitute कीजिए value. Area of the sector AOB है ये हम this we wish to find out. Area of a circle, you know, pi r square होता है. If r is the radius of the circle, the area of the circle will be pi r. So equal to theta over 2 pi. Cross multiply कीजिए. Theta by 2 pi and this will be multiplied on the right side. Pi r square. Cancel pi. So it will become half r square theta. So area of this sector, this shaded area, this is half r square into theta. You keep in mind forever. If this sector is, I mean, enclosed between two radii, then the formula for finding the area is half r square theta. R square is the radius square and theta whatever is there, but it should be in radians. Example, Consider the figure as shown. The center of circle is at O and radius is 2 meter. O is the center of the circle, okay, and radius is 2 meter. So radius, you may join the center to any of the point on the circumference, that will be the radius. It will be the same everywhere. So the radius OA will be same as OB, both will be 2 because it is given 2. The minor arc, एक छोटी arc को minor arc कहते हैं. This is AB. This is a minor arc. Subtends an angle of 2 pi by 3 radians at the center. ये center पे जो angle बन रहा है, that is 2 pi by 3 radians. Okay. Calculate number 1 the length of the minor arc AB. इसकी length निकालनी है AB. And the area of the shaded segment ABP. ये जो नीचे एरिया बन रहा है APB, ये जो shaded region है, that you have to find this area, and you have to use pi as 3.142. This he has given this value. This you can even find from calculators. Now see this solution. Given r is 2 meters and theta is 2 pi by 3 radians. जो भी आपको data given होता है, always you write on the data first, ताकि आपको पता चल जाए ये values given है. And what we are to do now, in part A we are to find the arc length AB, ये जो minor arc है, A to be this curved line, so part of the circle. So the formula is S is equal to r theta. The value of r is 2 and theta is 2 pi by 3, of course in radians. Substitute the value of pi, that is 3.142. He has given to you in the question. And after the simplification, you are getting the S, which is the arc length, is 4.189 meters. Okay. ये जो A से B तक की curved line है, which is the arc, minor arc, its length is 4.189 meter that we have calculated from the given data. Next is in the part B, you are to find the area of the shaded segment AB. ये जो AB इसको chord कहते हैं. The straight line from A to B is chord, and the curved line from A to B is the arc. So the shaded area between the chord AB and the arc AB, that you need to calculate. The formula is that you will first find the area of the sector OAB along with the curved line. पूरा sector AOB, and you subtract this triangular area OAB. जो ट्रायंगल बन रही है पर आपको नजर आ रही है OAB, इसको subtract कर दीजिए this white region, so you'll be left with the shaded region. The area of the segment APB, your shaded area, this will be equal to area of the sector OA and B minus the area of the triangle OAB, straight line OA. Formula for the sector is, you have just studied, 1 by 2 r square theta, area of the sector, and minus for an oblique triangle, this is oblique triangle OAB. Okay? If two of these sides are known and in between the angle is known, then we use this formula half AB sin theta. ये भी आप आगे भी पढ़ेंगे, but nevertheless you have studied in your intermediate. The half AB sin theta is the formula to find the area of a triangle. This is oblique triangle. AB are the two sides and theta is angle in between these two sides. You see, देख रहे हैं आप? ये theta आपका 2 pi by 3, which is between OA and O. Both OA and OB are 2 meters. Okay. So half R is 2, theta is 2 pi by 3, A is 2. ये देख रहे हैं आप? From in the opposite side of capital A will be small a, opposite side of capital B will be of small b. Both are the radii, so the length will be the same, that is 2. A is 2, B is 2, and sine of theta is 2 pi by 3. You know, we in place of pi we write 180. 180 divided by 3 will be 60. 60 multiplied by 2. So in degrees, this will become 120. 2 pi by 3 will become 120 degrees. 2 will be cancelled. Sine 120 is 0.866. You can see this value from your calculator, multiply it to this much. And for the sector area, ये 2 इसे cancel कर दीजिए, तो this will become 4 pi by 3. And for pi you put 3.142. Simplify, you are going to get the value as 4.1893. This is the sector area, this is the triangular area. Subtract the triangular area, you are getting the answer as 2.457 meter and square, because this is area. So be careful while writing the square, meter square. Is it clear? I hope nothing should be difficult for you. Let me do some more problems, and I have given you some questions from the exercise. This is exercise 7.1, and we have done some of the questions right now. 36 degree look here, 200 half degree, 270 degree, that you did from this exercise. Some more questions are given. 26.34, no problem. Whatever the values given, multiplied with pi over 180, and you will get the answer in radians. But you can substitute the value for pi as 3.1. Trigonometric ratios I'll tell you the next time. जब आप trigonometry पढ़ेंगे. Well, this is exercise 7.4. Some of the questions, rather one part of this question I am going to do from each question. The remaining you will do. मैं कर रहा हूँ, दूसरा भी आप करके दिखाएंगे. All of you, right now. और जो जिसकी आवाज नहीं आएगी, आई मार्क हिम एब्सेंट. कोई तरीका नहीं है. टीचर इज टीचिंग एंड टॉकिंग एंड जस्ट गिविंग यू ऑल द नोट्स. तो आप कहेंगे अभी तो मैं आराम कर लूँ सो के, एंड देन आई विल स्टडी लेटर ऑन एट माय ओन. नो, यू शुड बी present in the class. Okay, in each of the following, find the length of arc as centimeter, which subtends the given angle at the center of a circle with the stated radius. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. A part, 1.5 radians is the angle and r is 5 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. The same question is again written here. Okay, solving this part B. 3 by 4 radians is the angle and r is 16 that I am showing over here. देखिए वहाँ से. The formula for the arc length is r theta. Your r is 16 and theta is 3 by 4 radian. It should be in radians. So just simplify. 12 centimeter is the arc length. Damn simple. Is there any difficulty? No. Similarly, F part. 1 whole 3 by 4. इसको पढ़ के आपके साथ में 1 whole 3 by 4. Multiply this 4 with this. 4 with the 4 plus 3. 7 by 4. The angle is 7 by 4. That I have written here 7 by 4. R is same as 20. So 20 multiplied with 7 by 4. 4 5 are 20 and 7 5 are 35 centimeter is the arc length. I'm sure you can do all the questions yourselves. अभी आप कीजिएगा थोड़ी देर बाद. Let me finish my lecture, then I'll ask you to do the questions. Switching over to question number 2. In each of the following circles, find the area of the sector with the given angle and the given radius. Give your answer correct to the three significant figures. These are various parts A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, let me do part C. In part C, theta is 2.2 radians, R is 11 centimeter. The formula for the area of sector is A equal to half R square theta, as proved in the early stage. Half R square, R is 11, the 11 is square, and theta is 2.2 in radians, fine. So just simplify. Divided by 2 to 1.1, and 11 square will become 121. multiply with this number, you are going to get 133 centimeter square because this is the area. Similarly, I do question number last part. After my theta is 1 whole 1 by 3 radians and r is 12 centimeter. 1 whole 1 by 3 means 3 1 to 3 and add this one 4 by 3. My angle is 4 by 3 radians. So in the same formula half r square theta, you substitute these values half as it is. Your radius is 12, 12 is square and theta is 4 by 3. Put here and simplify. You are going to get the answer as 96 centimeters here. Done. Any problem to anybody? Hello? You're listening me or you're sleeping?
सर एस का मतलब क्या होता है एस?
You are understanding also? आसान है? Any problem to anybody? No? Okay. Look at question number 3. Given a circle of radius 4 centimeter, an arc of the circle subtends an angle of 25 degree at the center. Now, angle is given to you in degrees, where in circular measures we always need our angle in radians. Okay. So first of all, you express your degrees into radians by multiplying this value with pi upon 180 and put pi as 3.142. Find the angle subtended in radians. The same angle you are to express in radians. Hence, calculate the length of the arc, the area of the sector formed. Okay. Information is r equal to 4 centimeter and theta is equal to 25 degrees. Just multiply this degree by pi upon 180. This will become radians. Simplify. You will be getting theta as 0.4365 radians. Well, now we are going to solve A part. You have to find the arc length G. The formula for the arc length S is equal to r theta. R is your 4 centimeter and theta you have just calculated in radians. So put it here, multiply 4 with it. The answer comes to be 1.746 centimeter. This is the arc length. Very simple. And for part B, the area of the sector formed, which is from OAB, okay, with the curved line. So area of the sector, you know the formula half r square theta. Put all the informations, you know. Your r square will be 4 cos square, 4 square is 16. And theta, you have got this one 0.4365. Okay, substitute them in the formula. Simplify. You are getting area as 3.492 centimeters square. This is the area of the sector. Damn simple. If such questions come in your paper, I'm sure you should be able to do it very well. Well, this is a thought-provoking question. There is a दिमाग चाहिए और अच्छा question है. It's a nice question of your standard. So far, we had been just clearing our concept. तो concept clear already. Question is this one. Still not very difficult. See here. In a circle, center O and radius phi, AB is a chord such that its distance from O is 4 centimeter. Just a minute, you hold over here. Center is O and AB is a chord. You know, if we join any 2 points on the circle with a straight line, that is known as chord. And from A to B, another path is also going, which is along with the circle, that is the arc. Okay, the curved line, that is the part of the circle, that is known as arc AB. And the straight line, with the help of a scale, if you join point A with B, so that is known as chord, chord, chord. And from the center, if you wish to find the distance from that chord, chord तो एक लंबी length है ना. देखिए, look at this figure. My straight line AB is the chord. But there are so many points on AB. But once the authors say from O to this chord AB, the distance is 4. So remember, you are to take the perpendicular distance because that is the shortest distance. Otherwise, इससे बड़े बड़े डिस्टेंस और भी मौजूद है. ये भी डिस्टेंस है ओ से यहाँ पे, ओ से ए भी डिस्टेंस, ओ से यहाँ पे भी कोई डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा. So you can have so many distances from O to the chord AB. But once you say the distance is 4, it is understood that this is the perpendicular distance because this is the shortest distance. So you assume that this is OC. I have marked here, say this point is C on the chord AB. OC distance is 4. Radius OE and OB are equal. This is 5 centimeter. And the angle, if I assume that it's theta total, the half theta is in this triangle OAC and half of the theta is coming in triangle OBC. Okay. Now this vertical line OC is bifurcating our triangle into two right angle triangles, right? The theta by 2 is on one side and another theta by 2 is on the other side. Total angle is theta. Okay, let me do the solution. You are to find what? The angle subtended by the chord at O in radians. Second, the area of the segment bounded by the chord at the minor arc. This by this straight line AB, this is the chord, and the minor arc AB, this is the curve. This shaded area again, as we did in the previous case. Good. Let theta be the angle subtended at O. Assume this is the angle is subtended at O by these two radii OA and OBC to angle 1, that is your AB with this chord is subtending the angle at the center. This is theta. Radius OA is equal to OB is equal to R and this is 5 centimeters. Given to you OC, this vertical distance from center to the chord AB, this distance is 4. This is also given to you, okay? So from the right triangle AOC, चलिए first कर लेते हैं AOC. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we get Pythagoras theorem लगाइए. So the hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus square of the base. Okay, if base is unknown, then AC square is the base. Perpendicular square is 4 square. Hypotenuse square is 5 whole square. जब सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए ये 25 हो जाएगा, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, तो AC square will be 25 minus 16 equal to 9. AC will be equal to 3 centimeter. This AC distance is 3. Both are same, so BC will also be 3. The chord length is from A to B is 6 centimeter. The length of the chord is 6 centimeter. This is the way you can calculate the length of the. अगर वो आपसे पूछ भी लगे find the length of the chord, so this will be the steps you will be doing. Then by trigonometry, perpendicular upon the base, you know, is tangent theta. What is perpendicular? देखिए जो एंगल आप कंसिडर करेंगे, योर एंगल इज थीटा बाई 2 हियर एट O. तो इसकी साथ एक लेंथ सबसे लेंथी साइड होती है, दैट इज नोन एज हाइपोटेन्यूज, एंड द एडजेसेंट साइड इज नोन एज द बेस, एंड अपोजिट साइड इज नोन एज द परपेंडिकुलर. याद रखेंगे, ये बेस नहीं है. AC is not the base for triangle OAC. What is the base? Base is OC because this is the adjacent side of theta by 2. OC is your base, okay? And perpendicular is 3, opposite side is 3. So 3 by 4, perpendicular upon the base, this is the ratio of tangent. पढ़ा है ना आपने trigonometric ratio में? So tangent is equal to perpendicular upon the base. Perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. So 3 by 4 is equal to tangent of angle in this AOC triangle is theta by 2. Okay, theta by 2. तो थीटा डिवाइड टू टेंजेंट को उधर ले जाएंगे तो टेंजेंट इनवर्स हो जाएगा, तो टेंजेंट इनवर्स 3/4. See this value from your table. This much you are getting 36.869. Because this is the value of theta by 2, so theta will be double of it. Okay, 2 से इसको cross multiply कीजिए. So actual theta at O is 73.7396. This is in degrees. Okay. Now we have to express this theta in radians because we need it in radians. So you have to multiply it with pi upon 180 and put the value of pi, that is 3.142. Simplify, the answer is coming to be 1.2871. So थोड़ा सा राउंड ऑफ अगर कर दें 71 हटा दीजिए तो 1.29 रेडियंस. पता है ना, डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट लेना चाहते हैं तो अगले सारे डिजिट हटा दें. इफ दिस इज मोर देन 5 तो इसको एक नंबर बढ़ा दीजिए, इसका वैल्यू अगर ये 5 से कम है 4 3 इसको वैसे हटा दें. जस्ट इट विल रिमेन देन 1.28 if this is less than 5. You got your angle, uska a part is the find the angle in the radians. Done ho gaya. Now we find the length of the arc AB. इसका B part आ रहा है. ये बड़ा आसान है. S is equal to r theta. R is 5. Theta you have calculated 1.29. Just multiply 6.45 centimeter is the arc length. Okay. इसके बाद यहाँ पर area of the sector bounded by the chord and arc AB. तो वही होता है area of the sector AOB minus area of the triangle AOB. ये आपने पहले भी पढ़ा था. सेक्टर OAB यहाँ से कर्व मिलाएगा, ये है सेक्टर OAB. इसमें से माइनस करेंगे दी एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल OAB. ये एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल माइनस कीजिए. You know the formula for the area of sector AOB क्या होता है वो? वह हाफ r square theta. R square 5 है, रेडियस 5 square. Theta you have got 1.29 या 2871 जो ये निकाला था ये रख दिया है, नो प्रॉब्लम. माइनस हाफ बेस. देखो एक तरीका और भी होता है, एक फॉर्मूला थोड़ी देर पहले हमने यूज किया था 1/2 AB sin theta. याद है? वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. That you can also do. half AB sin theta. A is 5, B is 5 and theta ये जो आपने निकाला था यहाँ डिग्री में. You can even do with this method. But there is another method, let me tell you. कोई भी ट्राइंगल है उसका बेस पता है आपको और उसकी परपेंडिकुलर भी पता है. तो half into base into perpendicular is the formula to find the area. So you must remember there are so many formulas to find the area of a triangle. Here luckily you know the perpendicular and you know the base. Base is 3 and 3 here 6. Half into 6 into 4. देखिए half base into perpendicular, half 6 into 4. Simplify 2 3 the 6, 3 4 the 12. और इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो ये आ गया 16.088. जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम इट, आंसर विल बी 4.088 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एनी प्रॉब्लम टू एनीबॉडी? बताइए. एक क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल इस तरह का आपको असाइनमेंट में भी मैंने दिया है. आई एम श्योर यू कैन डू इट. कर लोगे कि नहीं? हाँ भाई, कौन सारी सो गई? नो आंसर फ्रॉम यू. ये बताइए.
ये पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्यों लगाते हैं हम लोग? ये जो ऊपर लगाया था हमने,
क्या चीज?
वो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, वो परपेंडिकुलर प्लस बेस जो आपने.
Just to find the length of the base.
ओके सर, लेंथ.
ये देखिए ऐसे ना, ये हमें 3 नहीं ना पता था, 4 पता था, 5 पता था. If 2 of the sides are known of a right angle triangle, how can you find the third side? Third side can be found by applying the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square minus the perpendicular square will be giving you the base square. यहाँ पे है, अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो परपेंडिकुलर ले लेंगे, AC स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 स्क्वायर। तो ये मैं आपको इन एडिशन बताया है कि अगर इन केस वो आपसे पूछे कि फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड AB, फिर आप क्या करेंगे, इसी तरह निकालेंगे ना।
यस सर।
इसके बाद तो कोई और रास्ता नहीं है। वैसे यहाँ पे अगर आप ये ना निकालें, स्टिल यू कैन गेट योर आंसर। कैसे? ये तो मैंने आपको एक शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला बताया ना एरिया निकालने का। एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल यू कैन आल्सो फाइंड बाय द फॉर्मूला हाफ OA into OB into sine of the angle in between, और एंगल इन बिटवीन इज थीटा, और ये आपने निकाला हुआ है, दिस इज 73.